Good rally is seen across gold and silver, and as expected, breaking past 1915 zone, we have seen a sharp move, and in fact it has breached past 1930 and went till towards 1938. Likewise, silver has breached the critical resistance at 22 and went till 2240. However, now trading with a retracement. So what to expect today? Is it the rally going to continue, or we can see a retracement or a drop from here? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start first. We'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now first, let's have a look at the hourly charts. Yes, it tried to breach the upper resistance and the pivot levels at 1935, but then has dropped. And if you look at it, look closely, couple of red candles, retracement. Now it is trying to retrace. However, possibly once again, if you see it trading below 1915, we can expect little more bearishness, which might take it till towards 1905, 1900 levels. Now 1900 is going to be a very good resistance there. 1905, 1900 levels. These levels you should watch out closely. So only sell entry I will recommend is below 1915 again, below which 1910, 1905 and 1900 levels can be expected. And below that, see what it has done, higher lows, possibly higher lows can be seen, higher highs, higher lows can be seen, and it can try to create something of its own. And only bearishness is once it trades below this lows at 1885. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped a bit, trying to look upwards. MACD is not trading, is still in green, it has not yet crossed over. RSI is flat, trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, you can see this couple of red candles, and see how beautifully you can always, a candle reflects what is going to happen next. See this candle, it has seen a sharp rally and then a pullback, and the price has ended lower, indicated that there could be further drop in trend till towards 1910 here. Now see again trying to retrace a bit, but however still to be considered bearish, and possibly from here it can try to drop again. Now if you look at the stochastic, has dropped a bit. The MACD is in green, however not yet crossed over for a sell. RSI is trading near to the top, near to the highs there. And look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour chart, this is a reversal sign. I will wait for it to break past. See, in fact 1918 itself you can sell here. Expect 1914, 1910 levels, and below that further drop can be seen here. If you see the stochastic, this is trading near to the highs. The MACD is in red here, and it is willing to cross over. However, it is still in red. RSI is again trading near to the top. And look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, there is no sign as of now. I'll wait for the closure of this candle. Possibly if it stays below 1980, it can try to show you further drop from there and stress the drop till towards 1915, 1910 levels. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD not indicative of anything. RSI trading near to the top. Now look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts we have seen higher highs, higher lows, and this is happening after a good strong bullish candles, two preceding bullish candles. This is trying to create a channel of its own. Now on the downside you can see the support here at 1900, 1895, 1890 levels is going to be very, very strong. Yesterday it was 1885. Today I expect, even if it tries to drop, 1895, 1890 levels are certainly going to remain a very, very good support. Only bearishness is if it trades below 1880, then you can say that it is trying to reverse from here. Also, one must note that the day is yet started, and there is almost 16 to 18 hours left in front of us, and hence it can show you good swings. Possibly a drop can be expected. Once it trades below 1980, I will recommend you to sell and stay short for 1914, 15 first, 1910 next, and then 1904, 1905, and then 1900 levels. Only bearishness is if it trades below 1890, 1885 levels, and then 1880. So remember, this is the level at 1880 which I will look forward to. If it breaks this, then confirm that it is reversed. Till the time it is a retracement, and hence you have to keep booking profits at every $5 and keep re-entering if it's trading in the same direction. At the same time, on the upside, above 1932 you can buy and expect 1940, 1950. In fact, it can went till towards the previous highs at close to 1960 levels. Yes, that is the only level that is above 1940. we can see slight bullishness which might take it till towards 1950-1960 levels. So broadly saying, there could be a little retracement initially, and then even if it has to bully, see, first thing it has to respect 1880 levels and 1880 levels, I will say, and if it does, then certainly it can reverse and it can try to trade bullish. Yesterday also we were of the same position and it failed to break below on the downside. Same thing one can do expect today. However, now the selling levels are a little higher. You can sell at 1918 and expect it to drop a little, and you have to trade with a trailing stop loss on the downside. On the upside, as I said, only buy entries above 1932, beyond which you can expect a little rise. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 20th of March. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, on the hourly chart, silver had given a breakout yesterday but erased all the gains and has come back to the normal or the previous levels. The pivot level again is seen at the same levels. Yes, I will again recommend you to buy at 22 levels, but then beyond 22 again 22.20, 22.40. Yesterday also we are of same position. See, precisely it has returned from 22.40. That is good to see how beautiful it respects the resistance. So buy at 22.20 levels. That is the only level beyond which you are recommended to remain long. $22 levels. Now on the downside, see here, 2170 is something which is acting as a pivot as of now, and then 2160. If these two levels are taken, we may see more bearishness in silver today. Now let's have a further detail look. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, RSI trying to look upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts likewise, see, we have seen a good drop. It has come back to the normal position. Now it can try to do the same on the other side. There is a possibility exists for this. And yes, on the downside we can see $21.50, $21 levels as the good support. But right now if you look at the 2-hour charts also, it is showing a reversal here. So it has dropped sharply. It is looking forward to reverse. Possibly we may see $21.90 and $22 levels again, and beyond that little more bullishness can be expected. And you can see the stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, and RSI is almost trading at comfortable levels near to bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, it is showing a reversal and possibly looking forward to a rise. So I will recommend you to buy here at $21.90 and expect $22 levels, $22.20 levels, and beyond that further bullishness is going to remain there. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD here on the 3-hour charts is bearish here. It is divergent. It is looking down. RSI is almost trading near to the top there, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also it is trying to reverse a bit. I'll wait for the next candle which might take it little higher, but then 22 again is going to be the resistance. Remember, once it has breached 22, certainly it gives an indication that it can pull the prices further up. Now on the downside you can see here multiple candles getting the support here at 2160. So this is going to be the key level you should watch out for. Yes, you can sell at 2170 today, but then 2160 is the level you should watch out. Below that further bearishness can be seen. MACD looking down, trying to trade bearish. RSI is flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now see the daily charts, yesterday's candle is still higher lows and higher highs we have seen, and once it breaks below 2150, it is going to give you a reversal. It is going to give you a crash there. So for the day you can sell at 2170, expect 2160, 2150, and these two are taken. Stay short, and we are going to look at 2120 levels, and in fact $21 levels can also be seen there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Sell at 2170, buy at 2190. In between these 20 cents, do not take any position in silver. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.